Now you're going to learn how to create your own eBay account. You're going to click register on the top. You're going to type your first name. You're going to type your last name. You're going to type in your email that you want associated with your eBay account. You're going to create your password. Now you're going to click continue. It's going to say welcome. Welcome to eBay. Click continue on that. Go up to the top left hand corner of eBay. Click on my account. You're going to want to click on the Sell tab now. This is where you're going to update your information. You're going to type in your street address, your zip code, your city and state, and your phone number. And then click continue. eBay will process this information and update it. Now click on My eBay, click on the Sell tab. This is where your selling manager is. You can keep track of active listings, sold listings, unsold listings, scheduled listings, and any selling reminders. Now check out your inbox, click on your messages, and go to the Welcome to eBay message. You're going to want to update your user ID. Click on that link that says Account Preferences. You'll see your account information that you just updated. Click on Edit. eBay is going to want you to confirm your password before you edit your user ID. Now choose your new eBay user ID. I'm going to choose Low Cost Hustle, because I believe you should hustle for what you want, meaning love hard work and don't spend any money doing it. Now you're going to want to click on My Account and click on the sub-tab Subscriptions. You're going to want to click Subscribe on a basic store, and you'll see that you do not have an active seller's account, so you're going to want to click that link, Active Seller's Account. You're going to want to confirm that information and click on Call Me Now. eBay will call you, see how quickly that was, and give you a 4-digit PIN confirming that that is you. You type in the PIN, click continue. Now eBay wants you to pay for their fees. You're going to need to pay for eBay fees, and they want you to pay with a credit card. That's what I do. Enter in your credit card information so you can pay for eBay fees. If you're a beginner, there are plenty of resources you should look for on the eBay knowledge base. eBay does a great job teaching you how to use their website, and you need to ask the right questions and love hard work in order to be successful on eBay. Here's the link below. Use that, click on it, and please check out their knowledge base, because you're going to be successful based on your ability to adapt and to learn a little about a lot of various things.